Hi, my name is Abu Mujahid Mohammad Umar, currently pursuing MBA and doing my internship from Genius Consultant Private Limited. In the month of March, I planned 2-day visit to my parents during a holy vacation. While there, all of us decided to go on a day trip to my sister's place where we got stuck for 10 days due to the sudden lockdown announcement and had to get a special pass made to return back to our house where I got held for the past 7 months. At the beginning, it was difficult for me to accept this change as I'm quite social and outgoing person. This lockdown has negatively affected my studies and internship. I missed physical interaction with my friends and working with my trainers. I feel like I could have learned more if I would have got the chance to observe my seniors at the office and experience office life firsthand. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Zobiporna and I am from Kolkata. Right now I am pursuing my MBA as well as I am also doing my internship from Genius Consultant Limited. So during this pandemic, one of the most difficult thing I have seen is that for the old aged people who have already been retired from their services and used to get pension. So earlier the scenario was they used to get pension. So once in a month they used to go to the bank and withdraw the amount of money so that they can use it for the household expenditure. But during this lockdown, the whole situation got changed. There used to be a huge queue of people standing outside the bank. So the old people who are not really prone to technologies or doesn't even know how to use a credit card, debit card or a net banking, they used to go outside the bank and used to stand for 3 to 4 hours in the scorching heat, and then in this way I have seen several old aged people has fallen sick. So this is a really bad thing which the pandemic has done for the old aged people. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shruti Biswas. I'm an MBA second year student recently working as a business development intern at Genius Consultant Limited. Right now, the whole world is fighting a war against coronavirus. It has affected all our lives, including myself. I'm a very social person and I used to meet my friends on regular basis, which I haven't met them from last 6 months. So it is really very hard and tough for me to cope up with this new normal situation. And I'm also not used to being at home all the time, but right now we have to be available in front of our laptops, computers or mobile phones all the time for our work. So it is really very struggling for me because I haven't went out of my house from last 6 months since lockdown happened. But we are all humans, we have to adapt according to the situation. So I'm trying to cope up with this new normal situation until and unless it gets better, and hopefully it will be soon.
Hello everyone, I'm Priya Das from Guwahati, Assam. 14 days before, I had suffered from cold and cough, fever. I realized that this might be the symptoms of COVID. And the very next day, I went to the screening center and I have been tested positive, COVID positive. And I am advised by the doctor to stay at home until the further evaluation of the test comes out. So what I have heard is that from my friends who were tested COVID positive, post-COVID effect, post-COVID may have some effects like lungs, breathing problem, stress, depression, etc., etc. All we can do is, the only weapon we have in our hand is to stay optimistic, wash our hands, we use sanitizer properly, wear mask and stay home, and let's stay optimistic and hopeful. Thank you.
Hi, I am Momita Ganjalan. I am going to speak about the effect of COVID-19 in human life. COVID-19 is an invisible virus who affected our human body. Many people lost their job in this during situation. Parents worried for their children. We all have maintained our social distancing from each other. Senior citizens can get more anesthesias. The economic industry of India is going to downward. I salute to doctor, nurse, police, expert who working hard to help people stay healthy.
Hello everyone, this is Avishika Mazumdar. I am doing my internship from Genius Consulted Limited. Today, all over the world, due to COVID 19, unemployment is the biggest issue that everyone is facing today. The infrastructure is so weak, mostly the developing countries are facing in this crisis. There is a lot to be done in erecting industries where the education citizens, according to their merits, can get their rewards. As this generation facing a tough competition, they are under a depression as they had to shift from one job to the another. Apart from that, states are also restricting restaurants, theaters, stores where large group of peoples are coming close contact with one another. Public health officials and experts have warned to stay at home as much as possible and avoid doing anything that required a close contact with one another. Thank you so much.
Hello. Everyone right now is going through this pandemic crisis, pandemic situation. People are unable to lead their normal life they used to lead earlier, maybe 6 months back. Everyone life is affected in some or the other reasons. Education have been affected in a bad manner. Schools and colleges are closed. We are not able to attend classes properly. We used to attend earlier. Online classes are going on, and recruitment process is also stopped for some times. We really don't know what is waiting for us in the near future. People have lost their jobs due to this pandemic crisis. Hope this situation gets normal very soon.